Okay, so on number 1, we are finding the distance of the line segment whose endpoints are given. So distance formula says x sub 2, negative 7, minus x sub 1, 4, squared, plus y sub 2, negative 5, minus y sub 1, negative 3. So that's plus 3 squared. Negative 7 minus 4 is negative 11 squared. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2 squared. Negative 11, when I square a negative, what's going to happen? Positive, 121 plus 4. So it's 125, and I got to square root it. This problem had a simplified radical, so I need to break 125 down. What two numbers multiply to get 125? 5 and 25, and 25 would break into 5 and 5. Since I have a pair of 5s, down here, I would write the 5 on the outside, and I would have a radical, whatever left over. My answer should have been 5 radical 5 for that first one. Questions there? Number 4 says you leave your house and bike 8 miles west. So you're starting right here. It doesn't matter which direction. I hope you know what west is. West is this way. 8 miles. Okay, and then you go north 7 miles. So from there to there, you go 7 miles. How far are you from your home? So what would I need to do to figure out how far I am from home if I were drawing this picture? What else should I draw here? How do I get home? That. What picture did I just draw? A right triangle. How do we find the missing side on a right triangle? Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared would be 7 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. So 49 plus 64. You end up with the square root of 113. It was a decimal. You type in your calculator, you get an answer, it's 10 point something. There you go. Don't make it harder than that. That's not a hard question. We look at it and we didn't do very well, but it's just Pythagorean theorem. You did that a ton in geometry. Number 6 here, 6a, find all the intercepts. To find an intercept, we have x-intercepts and y-intercepts. We are going to set the x-intercept. We're setting y equal to 0. So it's 0 equals x squared minus 16. Add 16, square root it. So x is equal to plus and minus 4. That's what the square root of 16 is. Okay, so when I write my ordered pairs, it'd be 4, 0, and negative 4, 0. For my y-intercepts, I'm plugging in 0 for x. When I plug in 0 for x, it's like this thing didn't even exist. So my y equals negative 16. So it's 0 comma negative 16. Those are my two answers there.